boy. Oh boy. Like 30 yards off, babe?
Yeah, 20.
Just saying, what are you guys gonna do? Wow. You're just hanging there. Oh, you're peeking at it.
Coming over.
Like, what are you guys doing?
He's coming right to the boat.
Oh my. Oh my. Holy camole. So cool. Rolling over. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, I am videoing it. He's peeking at it.
He's just rolling around.
It's like rolling over like a big puppy dog. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my. Oh. He's like, come and play with me.
Going over again.
Awesome. Awesome. Big. So cool.
He's kind of a juvenile. He's not that big.